Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Appreciate it, man. Could you tell me what's in here in your name?
Jason Gay, and it's 4 Punisher 15 dual tubes, wired at 1 ohm on a ACCA 5K, Rockville mids and highs, and 2 400.4 turn amps. Stock alternator.
Stock alternator.
Couple batteries.
Yep. Awesome. Have you metered it?
No, we want to though. Probably do it tomorrow.
What do you think you're tuned at?
That's 30 and a half.
30? Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
But
We've been working since we seen you, Jay.
Yeah.
It plays a lot lower.
Oh yeah.
We've been building.
That's it.
We got a couple more, they just didn't come.
You did my Jeep Cherokee.
It's been a while, but yeah.
Did 6 brutal sounds.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I remember that.
But
yeah.
this is my brother's truck.
Okay.
Yeah. Mine's the CRV over there. It's nowhere near done. I ain't gonna let you even embarrass me like that.
Jacob, go embarrass him. Put it on there.
Hey, y'all have a good night.
Put it on there and tell him that he wants some feedback.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.